Do you have a broken ignition switch because your car was stolen or something, or you tried to steal your car, or for some reason your ignition switch is broken like this? This was just loose on a Honda Accord I bought, and I knew it was, but I didn't care because I know I can fix this. Basically what happens is when they try to steal your car, they break into your car, they break this off the ignition switch, and when you turn this, it starts the car. You can turn it with any key or anything that can just get this to turn, a screwdriver or whatever. And you know, that's not cool because anyone could just get in your car and steal it. So what I did, instead of, you know, replacing the ignition switch, because this is a $400 Accord, I wired up a universal one, and I just cut it, you know, here, because again, I don't care. It's a $400 car. It works. It's not just some touch these wires or turn this screwdriver. No, but see, this was just hanging there because again, someone tried to steal this car at one point before I bought it, but they were unsuccessful, or they were successful. I don't know. But yeah, so this is the lock cylinder, and I guess this is what holds the steering column from turning. So yeah, now regardless of whether it's, you know, if the key's turned or not, the steering column turns, but that's not important. What is important is here, okay? It's wired into where the key goes, or it's connected to where the key goes, just like a stock location, but it's, you know, done, you know, very cheaply. This is just some plastic I had laying around. These are just, you know, self-tapping screws, and this is a universal ignition switch that you can buy at AutoZone, which is the part number, let's see, 85936. It's made by Dorman Universal Ignition Switch. Okay, so basically here's what it is. It's this is the white one is power or battery, followed by accessory and ignition 1 and 2. Okay, so again, power or battery is yellow. Power or battery is white. Yellow is accessory, and black with yellow and white with black is ignition 1 and 2. And this black with white is starter. So don't confuse white with black, where white is the primary and it's got a black line is ignition, and then black being primary with a white line is starter. So you just wire it up, you know, you can see it there. It's not the best, but you know, it holds. And yeah, just tighten all of these. It's got 4 prongs, so you see here much on the wiring diagram it comes with. It's very simple. Battery, accessory, starter, ignition. You just wire it up like that, and you know, it functions like a regular key. So let me put this on the car, and then I'll show you it work. I'll show you how it works. So 1 sec. Alright, so here's how the car turns on. Just put the key in, you know, just like a normal Honda. Turn it. There's power. The car's on now. See? It's just, you know, traditional. I mean, it looks kind of bad because of the way I did it, but I wanted it here this time. Why? Because it looks a little bit better, you know. It's not weird when I have it here or when I have it here, but like I said, I don't have that panel. I'll probably get that at the junkyard. It's probably like $5, but yeah, so I've got this on here, but yeah, see, so let's turn it off, pull the key out, good. Again, put the key in, turn the key, power, on. Does it come out? It's pretty sturdy in there, because you know, you can tighten this nut. Like I said, it doesn't look great. It looks way better than having, you know, this thing just hanging down there, you know, with the screwdriver. So that's pretty much how you wire up an ignition, universal ignition switch to your Honda. It applies to other cars, Toyotas. I've done it on one of those. I did it on something else. I can't remember what it was, but it was something, it wasn't your traditional car. It was something that's a little bit harder to come by. But yeah, I mean, it works. Mount it wherever you want. You can mount it here, or if you want to, you know, drag the wires, you can mount it like somewhere here or here or wherever you want. But for me, I wanted to keep it, you know, a little bit more basic, and I just mount it there. So I mean, car runs fine. You know, step on the brakes, this moves. Yeah, and I mean the key doesn't come out. It's not all wobbly, but yeah, like I said, for a $400 car, I mean, it works. And see, so now I'll be turning the car off, pull the key out, and you know, that's it. Alright, hopefully this video was helpful, teaching you how to mount you know, your universal ignition switch to whatever project you're working on. So yeah, if you have any questions, you know, leave it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.